Today's video is an easy, tasty, restaurant-style veg gravy. Namaskara, I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Alamirap Nutrition. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Veg gravy, let's check it out. The ingredients required list is shared for you. Initially, we are preparing a paste. So for 2 teaspoons of oil, I am adding in finely chopped onions and stirring it till it's light brown. To this, I am adding in half a cup of tomatoes and also few pods of garlic, few slices of ginger, 5 to 6 cashew nuts and sauteing the entire ingredients. Adding in half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small bunch of coriander leaves. For spice, red chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder and a teaspoon of coriander powder. Blending this entire mixture and keeping the paste aside. Again, in a separate pan, for half a teaspoon of ghee, I am adding in finely chopped onions and half a cup of tomatoes. The beauty of this veg gravy is you can add in whatever vegetables you have at home. Here I am adding in carrot, capsicum, mushrooms, broccoli, and giving it all a nice mix. Adding in required amount of salt. As you stir fry it, you can see the vegetables shrinking in size. To this, we are adding in the previously ground paste and adjusting the consistency of the gravy. I like to keep it a little thick so that it goes well with rotis or our Indian breads. In the end, I am adding in half a cup of paneer cubes and the secret ingredient, half a teaspoon of jaggery powder. Yes, this brings about the entire flavor and imparts a unique taste to this restaurant style veg gravy. Try it out and do let me know how it turned out. I hope you enjoy it. Every week we will be updating such healthy, simple recipes for you. And remember, if you or anybody in your family circle is looking out for diet counseling from the ease of your home, then all you would have to do is send us one WhatsApp message on the number above and we will reach out to you. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.